going to have unboxing slash unwrapping. So I'm going to open this one and let's see what's inside. So I ordered this from Amazon, and this is not a sponsored video. I bought this for £9, and it is free delivery because I have more than £20 order, so I save money for delivery charge. So let's open this. It's just like that, and here it is. I was thinking this is a big bottle, so it's just like that, small, so it looks quite huge in the online display, and here it's not that. It's just like that small. So if you happen to order this, just expect that it's not that huge bottle. Anyway, this is gold, so you cannot expect bigger, because I think this is a pure gold, so it's quite expensive. It's pricey. So it's 24K. I'm not sure if this is really a pure gold, but it says here Kino 24 Karat edible gold leaf flakes, 25 milligram genuine gold flakes, decorative dish, pure gold for cake decoration, health and spa. So we can eat this one, so let's try. Yeah, but I will not show you that I'm eating this video. I will make a video that I'm having this one in my food, so we'll see. Now I'll open the small jar. So I'll show you how it looks like. So this is how the bottle looks like that. I hope you can see this. 24 karat gold leaf flakes. So we'll open now. Oh, so this is the flakes, and this is edible. That looks a bit of paper. Anyway, it's cute, right? So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and click the bell of notification. This is the edible gold flakes. See you then.
Alright, alright, alright. Okay, okay.